Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for gaming. Using ChatGPT for gaming can open up various possibilities to enhance the gaming experience. Here are some ways to utilize ChatGPT in gaming. First is interactive storytelling. ChatGPT can serve as dynamic storyteller, players to engage in interactive narratives. It can generate compelling storylines, respond to player choices, and adapt the game world based on their decisions, creating a personalized and immersive gaming experience. Second is in-game assistance. ChatGPT can act as an in-game assistant, providing players with real-time information, hints, and tips. It can answer questions, offer guidance on quests or puzzles, and provide strategy suggestions, helping players progress and overcome challenges. Third is dynamic non-player characters or NPCs. ChatGPT can power non-player characters, enabling more realistic and engaging interactions. NPCs can engage in conversations, remember previous interactions, and respond contextually to the player's actions, enhancing the depth and realism of the game world. Natural language understanding. ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities can enhance player interactions. Players can communicate with the gaming using voice commands, text input, asking questions, giving commands, or engaging in dialogue using natural language, making the game more intuitive and immersive. Personalized gameplay experience. ChatGPT can analyze player preferences and behavior to deliver or personalized gaming experience. It can recommend guest items or game content tailored to the player's interests, creating unique and engaging experience to each player. It's important to note that integrating ChatGPT into gaming requires careful design, development, and implementation to ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience. Proper testing and consideration of ethical information are also essential to provide positive and inclusive gaming environment. So, that's how to use ChatGPT for gaming. So, I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!